Ishopanishad contains 18 mantras. What I am going to do, I shall present it in English translation, but not for word to word, but the essence of each mantra in English. Then I shall read out the mantras in Sanskrit. Just as a sample first, let me read out the first mantra in original Sanskrit. Isha midang sarvam jat kincha jagatang jagat tena taktena bhunjitha ma gridha kasya siddhanam. Now I start reading the English translation, but again I am telling that it is not word for word translation, but only the essence of each mantra in English. Number 1. All perishables are taken care of or covered by the ruling spirit or Almighty. No wealth belongs to you, all His. So do not get tempted for wealth through renunciation. Know the Almighty, the real owner of everything. Number 2. Live well, live long through good work in the ethical route only. Number 3. Suicidal people into the domain of darkness. Number 4. Pure consciousness or Atman covers all locations and all times at the same time. So, free of any speed. Though in effect the fastest even from the mind. Number 5. So this pure consciousness or Atman moves not actually being moving. He is at the same time, at the same moment, the nearest and furthest. Number 6. If one is aware that to witness everything in Atman and Atman in everything, then he cannot hate anyone. Let me read this one once again. If one is aware that to witness everything in Atman and Atman in everything, then he cannot hate anyone. To the person of enlightenment and knowledge, when everything becomes his Atman, then to that witness of sameness, there is no obsession or moho or morose. Number 8. Then he, like the Atman, all-pervading glow of purity, free of physical existence, of absolute purity, free of any vice, secured sameness in all perception, controller of mind, supreme and self-existence. He is ever-existing spirit. Number 9. Those who are just mechanical in activities and those who are only mechanical in worship, they enter into slumber and darkness in ignorance. Spiritual, then number 10. Spiritually intelligent say pure knowledge brings enlightenment to freedom and mechanical performance without discrimination generates ignorance. Number 11. Person of knowledge who is aware that to work and to worship is same attention to scriptures, he attains at least relative liberation that leads to ultimate attainment of Brahma, the Supreme Consciousness. Number 12. Out of ignorance, who are engaged in non-scriptural routes, they are misdirected by themselves into further confusion. Different perception out of ignorance in scripture, in scriptural truth, leads to different realization that does not help liberation. Number 14. Successive gain in perception of truth improves the possibility of true liberation. Number 15. Here the prayer to the glow of sun god, to remove the dazzle of light, to visualize the true light of Supreme Consciousness. Number 16. Prayer further to the apparent glow of sun, to unveil the real source of Atman, or source of Amrita Jyoti, that is eternal consciousness, with which we all are one. Number 17. Please recognize my efforts so far to know you and realize you, for I am ready to give up my all mortal coverings like name and form, and efforts to breathe even, for I have known the truth of existence. Number 18, the last one. O Supreme Knowledge, please accept my ultimate reverence for you, the truth. Me giving up absolutely everything at this moment of giving up my physicals, my salute. Now let me read the mantras in Sanskrit. Ishavashamidam sarvam jat kincha jagatang jagat tena taktena bhunjitha ma gridha kasya siddhanam. That was the number 1. Then number 2. Kurvanne beho karmani jiji vishechatang samaha evang tai nannothe to hasti na karmo lipate nare. Number 3. Asurja namote loka andhena tamoshabritaha tangste pritabhigachanti jeke chatmanaho janaha. Number 4. Anejadekang manaso jibiya nainadeva apnubat purva marshat tadda batanna batohanna natteti tishtat tasminnapo mato risha dadhati. Number 5. Tadejoti tannaijati taddure taddannitke tadantarasya sarvasya tadu sarvasasya bhajyataha. Number 6. Jastu sarvani bhutannatmane banu pashyati sarva bhuteshu chatmanam tatano biju gupsate. Number 7. Tasmin sarvani bhutannatmoika bhudijanataha तत्र को मोह को शोको एकत्वमनुपश्यतः। नंबर 8 स पर्यो गच्छु क्रमो कायो मव्रन मस्मावीरं शुद्धं पापविद्धं कबीर मनीषी परिभूः स्वयंभू जाथा तत्थतोऽर्थान् बादोधच्छास्तिभ्य समाभ्य। नंबर 9 अंधं तमः प्रविशन्ति जेह विद्यामुपासते ततो भूयो इमोते तमो ज उ विद्यायां रताः। नंबर 10 अन्नो देबाहु विद्यया हन्नो दाहुरो विद्यया इति शुश्रुम धीराणां जे नस्तद्दि चचक्षिरे। नंबर 11 विद्यां चा विद्यां च यस्तद्दे दो भयं सह अविद्यया मृत्युं तीत्वां विद्ययामृतमश्नुते। नंबर 12 अंधं तम प्रविशन्ति जेह सम्भूति मुपासते ततो भूयो इवते तमो ज उ सम्भूतां रताः। नंबर 13 अन्नो देबाहु संभवादन्नो दाहुरो संभवात् इति शुश्रुम धीराणां जे नस्तद्दि चक्षिरे। नंबर 14 संभूतिं च विनाशां च यस्तद्दे दो भयं सह विनाशेन मृत्युं तीत्वां संभूताः मृतमश्नुते। नंबर 15 हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्तं पुषन्न पावृणु सत्यधर्माय दृश्यते। नंबर 16 पुषयन्ने कर्षे जाम सूर्यो प्राजापत्यबुहरश्मिन् समूह तेजो जत्ते रूपं कल्याणो तमं तत्ते पश्यामि। नंबर 16 जोहो सावसौ पुरुष सोऽहमस्मि। नंबर 17 वायुरो नीलममृतमेदं भस्मान्तं शरीरं ॐ क्रतुस्मरो कृतं स्मरो क्रतुस्मरो कृतं स्मरो। नंबर 18 the last one अग्नेनय सुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वायुनानि विद्यान् जुजोद्धस्म हुरानो मेन भूयिष्ठां ते नमो उक्तिं विधेन्। ओम श्री रामकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।